Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Matthew Lewis, founder of Best of Haiti Real Estate. What we have here for you today is kind of like a fixer-upper. When I say fixer-upper, you have some work to do here, but it's cheap. As you can hear all the cars passing by, it's cheap. It's not in a residential area, it's a commercial area, a very busy commercial area in the middle of Petion-Ville. Well, it's on the road leading to Petion-Ville, but it's still in the metropolitan downtown Petion-Ville area. This is a huge property. It may look small to you on the video, but this property has a lot. It's a lot of property. This has 11 plus rooms and 11 plus bathrooms. Plus meaning you can create extra rooms. In fact, there is a property on the back of it that's been built. It's unfinished, but you can create more property with it. Look at this. This is another property that's been built on the back of this property. Let me take you around a little bit, right? You see you have your septics, equipments right here. This is the backyard. That can be a children play. Where children can play. You can put baskets here. They can play soccer here. This is just the back of the property. Again, that's the ones that's been built on the back. It looks like they're not gonna finish it. But this is the property, the main property. It has over 11 rooms and 11 bathrooms. This is we're going to the side of the property. This is the fence. And here you have one gate. This property have 3 gates. This is one of the 3 gates. Huge parking right here. Estimating this can take about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 cars. That's just the one side of the property that can take 7 cars. But if you go to the front, it can take another 7 to 8 cars. See right here? You can break this down to make it one huge parking lot. This is the second gate and the third gate right here. This is another parking space that can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6 cars. And this is the property. This is right here by Therese. Therese is the local football stadium and route Petion-Ville. Pretty much Petion-Ville, right there downtown Petion-Ville. Lots of foot traffic. Lots of vehicle traffic. So this is, I will recommend whoever buying this, it would be perfect for a school. For school, offices. If you're doing school, offices, orphanage, a school, offices, orphanage, and also perfect for an apartment complex. You can turn this into an apartment complex. This is just dirty, right? This is just dirt. It looks like a rundown building, but it's really not. Just have a lot of cosmetic minor repairs to do, and this complex will be beautiful. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not taking you inside of this complex because it has so many little small rooms. But I'm sure just because of the location in the middle of Petion-Ville, this is a gold mine right here. Come see it, folks. Contact us, email us, WhatsApp, local phone numbers, international phone numbers. And again, sorry about the noise. This is just the area. It's a very busy area. The apartment complex is, the complex is right on the street. But you have plenty of parking. Contact us via email, phone numbers, international phone numbers, Haiti and domestic phone numbers, and let us show you this complex today. This is a must see. It's a little project. Put it this way. This is a little project that you can build and turn into anything that you want. It's most suitable for apartment complex, hotel, bed and breakfast, guest house, school, office building. This is just a germ right here. Guys, contact us and let us show you this property today. Ciao.